Let us discuss these questions now. So, the most important key factor to sort out these questions is to segregate them as given and to prove. So, once you identify them, then it is quite easy to sort out the sums. Secondly, second thing is you have to find out what are the means you must know what are the basic features of any quadrilateral. Okay, so on these two parameters, let's sort out these sums. Your first question, prove that in a parallelogram opposite sides are equal. So let's see what is given and what is proof. So you have been asked prove that in a parallelogram. So that means you have been given a parallelogram. Okay, prove that in a parallelogram opposite sides are equal. So this is to be proved. Okay, so these two things are to be proved. Here, in if a parallelogram has equal diagonals, then prove that it is a rectangle. Prove that it is a rectangle. It is to be proved if a parallelogram has equal diagonals. This is given. Okay, see, parallelograms is a quadrilateral in which opposite sides are parallel, and as per this basic definition, rhombus is also a parallelogram because it has opposite sides parallel. Square is also a parallelogram. Rectangle is also a parallelogram. No, so they're saying if a parallelogram has equal diagonals, then it is not a simple parallelogram, it is a specific one. Okay, and what is that specific one? Rectangle. All parallelograms are not rectangles, but yeah, the parallelograms with equal diagonals are rectangle. The parallelograms with all angle 90 degree are rectangle. So they are asking that let's prove it. Okay, so this is given and this is to be proved. And here, if the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect the vertex angle. So what is given? A parallelogram and it bisects the diagonals of a parallelogram bisects the vertex angle. This is given and you have to prove it to be a rhombus. And here the diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other. This is given and you have to prove this to be a parallelogram. This is to be proved. Okay, now here you have to prove it to be a rectangle. So what to prove actually? See, what is given, you can write a parallelogram. What is given? A parallelogram with equal diagonal. But what to prove? A rectangle means what? So what is the basic definition of rectangle? Opposite sides equal and all angle 90. Yes, the diagonals are equal in a rectangle. Yes, the diagonal bisect each other in the rectangle. But you need not to prove that. You just have to prove the basic feature, because the rest properties are derived from the basic feature only. I suppose I am clear enough. Okay, when you have to prove a rhombus, you have to prove all sides equal. So ये सेकंड चीज़ मैंने बोला, पहले गिवन और टू प्रूव में सेग्रीगेट करना आना चाहिए, देन आपको बेसिक फीचर पे वर्कआउट करना आना चाहिए. ठीक है, अब यहाँ पर अगर हम पहले क्वेश्चन की बात करें, यू हैव बीन गिवन अ पैरेललोग्राम एंड ऑपोजिट साइड्स आर इक्वल. ये तो मैंने मोटा मोटा इन लैंग्वेज आई हैव सेग्रीगेटेड इट, बट अब मैथमेटिकल फॉर्म में लिखते हैं. यू हैव बीन गिवन अ पैरेललोग्राम, सो लेट्स मेक इट अ पैरेललोग्राम एंड नेम इट ABCD or whatever you wish to name it. So let's write it a parallelogram ABCD. Okay, and opposites. So you have been given a parallelogram ABCD. So what do we mean by that? That the opposite sides are parallel. Okay, and what to prove? And you need not to write that here. Means given can be very simple, a parallelogram, and just ज़्यादा आप उस पर सिर्फ उसको नेम लिख सकते हैं थोड़ा मैथमेटिकल टिंच के लिए. मोर ओवर फिगर से बात करनी है हमने, फिगर की तरफ रेफर करना है, तो लेट्स नेम इट इन द बिगनिंग एज ABCD. So you have to prove opposite sides equal. That means what to prove? AB equals CD and you have to prove AD equal BC. So this is how you have to segregate it. Now you have to prove it, but how to prove? If you have to prove something equals to something, we know that is the application of congruency. Once you prove two triangles congruent, you get three equalities, no? One triangle, 6 measures, 3 used to prove congruency and 3 you get as the CPCT. तो वो इक्वालिटी आपको CPCT के थ्रू मिल सकती है. कौन? AB equals CD. बट वो CPCT की तभी मिलेगी if AB is the side of one triangle and CD is the side of another triangle. So we do not have two triangles here. So here we led towards the construction. Construction तभी करें जब need feel हो. Okay, so then you need to write down the step of construction, and then you can easily prove these two triangles congruent. This all was given a parallelogram. Okay, we have all, means this is quite easy to prove, and this is the common arm. Three equalities. First you'll write construction, then your proof. You have got three equalities, and so congruent if the combination is valid, and then CPCT बहुत सोच के लिखें. So this is quite easy. So if anyone got stuck here, that's only because of the very first step. Either your segregation was wrong or you were not using congruency as the tool. Okay, then your second question was a parallelogram has equal diagonals. So here again some of you faced problem because you were thinking that we have to prove, we have been given a parallelogram and we have to prove that it has equal diagonals. Parallelogram do not have equal diagonals. Okay, so you must understand the soul of the question whenever it is given. Okay, and you'll be able to understand the soul अगर आपको ये सारी pictures अच्छे से visualize होती हैं, इनकी properties आपको learn है, which you did in class 8. Okay, और अगर ये सब कुछ नहीं है तो at least trust your language skills. Okay, nowhere is mentioned that prove that in a parallelogram diagonals are equal. So you have been given a parallelogram, you'll make a parallelogram ABCD or whatever you wish to. Okay, so you'll write a parallelogram. What is given? A parallelogram ABCD, and you have been given equal diagonals, that means AC equals BD. So you will not write step of construction because this is given to you, so you can construct them as he. Now you have to prove it is a rectangle. See, this is quite important now. You have to prove this figure is a rectangle. Okay, and we said you can take opposite sides equal also because that's the property of parallelogram. Along with the basic figure that basic feature that opposite sides are parallel, you can use this for parallelogram. You are permitted to use it. Okay, वैसे parallelism is sufficient in itself, but we have discussed it earlier. We can use this additional, otherwise the solution will go lengthy. So now, if you have to prove any figure to be a rectangle, so what is the basic feature of rectangle? Opposite sides equal and all angle 90 degree. But opposite sides are already equal here. So what to prove? See, this is to be written in brackets, or means why do we decode it in mathematical forms? So that we can actually focus on what to do. So here what to do actually? We have to prove all angle 90 degree. No? Or you can say all angle equal. So this is the thing we have to, now we have to focus on this only, because this will allow us to choose our triangles for congruency. आपको prove करना angle A equals angle B, angle A. अब we are talking about full angle, no? Full angle A and full angle B, because we are talking about parallelogram ABCD is a rectangle. So ABCD is a rectangle means ABCD के angle. So we are talking about A and B to be equal, then C and D means all four of them to be equal. Okay, so what to prove? We have to, again, our weapon is congruency. We have to take two triangles in which this belongs to triangle 1 and this belongs to triangle 2. So means a figure which contains this angle and a triangle which contains this. So which is our triangle? Our triangle is ABD, as it contains A, and BCA, which contains angle B, no? And then we need to prove them congruent. So here we'll go for proof, and our triangles are this one, no, and this one. Okay, these two can be easily proved congruent because you have been given AC equals BD, and this is equals to this, and this is the common arm. Okay, so three equalities, then we should have valid combination, and we can easily prove angle A equals angle B. Okay, and once you have angle A equals angle B, you can write angle A equals to angle C, opposite angles equal in a parallelogram, no? And opposite angles equal in a means B will also be equal to D. So this is equals to this, this is equals to this, this is equals to this. That means all four of them are equal. But beta, you will not end your solutions here, no, क्योंकि ये हमने हल्का फिगर आउट किया, इसको एंड में कंक्लूड भी तो करना है. वंस यू विल रीच योर सोल्यूशन, अब क्या है, सब लोग ये कर तो रहे हैं बट कंक्लूड नहीं कर रहे हैं ढंग से. व्हाट शुड बी योर कंक्लूजन पार्ट. सो योर कंक्लूजन एंड में जब आप ये सब प्रूव कर लेते हैं तो यू नीड टू राइट दैट AB is equals to CD and AD equals to BC. Reason? Opposite sides of पैरेललोग्राम. हमने प्रूव थोड़ी किया, ये हमने तो सिर्फ इस पे फोकस किया है, बट कंक्लूजन में लिखना है बिकॉज आपको इस फिगर को रेक्टेंगल बोलना है. तो इन द एंड यू हैव टू राइट दैट ऑपोजिट साइड्स आर इक्वल एंड ऑल एंगल्स आर 90. Okay, so opposite sides of parallelogram also angle A equals angle B equals angle C equals angle D. ओके, कहाँ से इक्वेशन ले, जहाँ भी आप इसको प्रूव कर लें, ठीक है, बिल्कुल प्रॉपरली. पहले A इक्वल्स B, देन A इक्वल्स C, देन B इक्वल्स D. वहाँ पर उसको इक्वेशन, सपोज दैट इक्वेशन इज इक्वेशन A और 1 और 2 और 3 और 4 वट एवर. ओके, सो this and this, therefore ABCD is a rectangle. सो ये कंक्लूजन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. Okay, similarly अब आपके पास third question, you have been given a parallelogram where the diagonal bisects the vertex angle and you have to prove it to be a rhombus. So you have a figure, okay, let's call it PQRS, and diagonal, I'm drawing one diagonal and it is bisecting the vertex angle. That means this is given to you, no, and you have to, because it is a parallelogram, so let's label it more. Need not to write a lot in given because we don't know which all properties are we going to use. So this is PQRS, diagonal bisect the vertex angle. You may write it in mathematical form. If you don't wish to, you can write it later in the proof. But it is a rhombus. It is important to write it in mathematical form. What to prove actually? See, parallelogram है तो this is already equals to this and this is already equals to this. So what to prove actually? You only need to prove PQ equals to PS or PS equals to RS. ये आपके सोचने के लिए कि आप कंक्लूड कैसे करेंगे, ठीक है. बिकॉज PS अगर PQ के बराबर होता है then PS is also equals to RS because this is equals to this. ओके, एंड दिस इज इक्वल्स टू दिस. सो सभी हो जाएंगे. तो बेसिक छोटी सी चीज़ जो आपने याद रखनी है वो ये कि आप चाहे ऑल साइड्स इक्वल लिख दें यहाँ पर, मे बी आप ऐसे लिख दें. चलो, जस्ट टू शो द एग्जामिनर यू कैन राइट ऑल ऑफ दिस, बट ऑन द बैक ऑफ योर माइंड यू मस्ट रिमेंबर दैट यू ओनली नीड टू प्रूव, लेट्स से QR इक्वल RS. कोई भी, मतलब एडजेसेंट साइड इक्वल हो जाए, ऑपोजिट तो ऑलरेडी है. तो ये जब आपस में बराबर हैं means this is this, this is this, this is y, this is y. So if you prove x equals y, तो ये चारों बराबर हो जाएंगी ना. This is just a way to say, no? So you actually have to focus on this, and this is how you will start planning your proof. You have to prove QR equal RS. तो आपको दो ट्राइंगल लेनी है so that this overlap over this. तो ये या तो बेटा कॉन्ग्रुएंसी से आप कर सकते हैं, ठीक है, इन दोनों की कॉन्ग्रुएंसी कर लो, और देन you'll get QR equal RS as CPCT. ओके, अब यहाँ पर एक और इम्पॉर्टेंट बात क्या है. when you'll prove these two triangles congruent, you have to write this is equals to this and this is equals to this and this is the common arm. Only then it will overlap like this, and only then you will prove QR equal RS. There were mistakes in the solutions because some of you were writing this angle equals to this interior alternate. Yes, it is a parallelogram, they are interior alternate, and this is also equals to this one, interior alternate and common arm. Yes, these two are congruent, but what is congruent? अगर आप इंटीरियर ऑल्टरनेट वाली इक्वालिटी लेके चलेंगे देन ट्राइंगल PQR, अब ये एंगल पे ये ओवरलैप होना है ना, आपने इक्वालिटी में तो वही सबमिट किया, देन दिस विल बी कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू एंगल RSP, और उसके अकॉर्डिंग आपका QR RS के बराबर नहीं आएगा, बिकॉज ऐसे थोड़ी ओवरलैपिंग होगी. आपकी ओवरलैपिंग QR के ओवर PS आएगा. देखो ज़रा, ये देखो SP, ठीक है. तो ये कॉन्ग्रुएंसी कई तरीके से होती है, बट सी व्हाट डू यू वांट एज अ CPCT, यू वांट QR टू ओवरलैप ओवर RS. So this must overlap like this, so this must be equals to this and this must be equals to this. तो इसीलिए तो ये दिया भी है diagonal bisect the vertex angle. अगर आपने इंटीरियर ऑल्टरनेट ही यूज़ करना है, फिर आपने इसका तो यूज़ किया ही नहीं. आपने क्या यूज़ किया? आपने यूज़ किया इसको सिंपल पैरेललोग्राम की तरह, और आप प्रूव करना चाहते हैं कि हर पैरेललोग्राम रोम्बस होता है. ठीक है, अगर आप इन दोनों को, इंटीरियर ऑल्टरनेट तो पैरेललोग्राम में होते हैं ना, और आप अगर वो यूज़ करके सीपीसीटी में ये इक्वल टू ये तो नहीं मिलेगा. अगर मिल गया तो आपने कुछ ना कुछ गड़बड़ किया और आप बोलना चाह रहे हैं हर पैरेललोग्राम रोम्बस होता है. नहीं, सब पैरेललोग्राम रोम्बस नहीं होते. वो पैरेललोग्राम जिसमें डायगोनल बाइसेक्ट दी वर्टेक्स एंगल, वो रोम्बस होते हैं. और डायगोनल बाइसेक्ट दी वर्टेक्स एंगल किस में होते हैं? जो फिगर ऐसे ओवरलैप हो जाएंगी. तो कौन सी फिगर ऐसे ओवरलैप हो सकती हैं? एक रोम्बस हो सकता है, एक स्क्वायर हो सकता है, बिकॉज ये साइड इसके इक्वल किस में होती है? रोम्बस और स्क्वायर में. ठीक है. सो नाउ अगेन व्हाट इज इंपॉर्टेंट, आई नो यू विल चूज योर ट्रायंगल्स, यू विल प्रूव देम कॉन्ग्रुएंट, यू विल रीच योर रिजल्ट, बट इन द एंड द कंक्लूडिंग पार्ट. ओके, बिकॉज आप एक कॉन्ग्रुएंसी करो ना, दो दो तो नहीं करनी है. आपको क्या प्रूव हो जाएगा इन दोनों की कॉन्ग्रुएंसी से? क्यू आर इक्वल आर एस, क्यू पी इक्वल पी एस. सो कंक्लूजन में क्यू आर इक्वल आर एस एंड क्यू पी इक्वल पी एस, ये आ जाएगा आपके पास ये सी पी सी टी से. देन यू विल राइट ऑल्सो पी क्यू इक्वल आर एस एंड पी एस इक्वल्स क्यू आर. रीजन, ऑपोजिट साइड्स ऑफ अ पैरेललोग्राम. ठीक है. फिर आप क्या बोलेंगे? दिस इज ए एंड दिस इज बी. सो फ्रॉम ए एंड बी वी कैन say that all sides are equal. No, so it's a rhombus. So this is how your concluding part was going wrong. Okay, now here the diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other, then prove that it is a parallelogram. So you have been given a quadrilateral. Fourth question, what is given to you? You have been given a quadrilateral. I'm just doing it fast, video is going lengthy. Quadrilateral ABCD. Okay, so I'm just making a quadrilateral. It's a simple quadrilateral. I will not label anything extra. So ABCD is a quadrilateral where you have been given that diagonals bisect each other. That means this is equals to this and this is equals to this. So you have been given AO equal OC and BO equal OD. So this is given to you, and what to prove? You have to prove ABCD is a parallelogram. So क्या prove करना है? Either you have to prove AB parallel to CD and AD parallel to BC, means either these two, or either this and this, or AB equals to CD and AD equals to BC. So any one of these two. Okay, so you can easily choose these two triangles to be proven congruent, so that you can use the equality also. This is equals to this, this is equals to this, and this is equals to this. So तीन equalities SAS. Okay, so you can easily submit those three equalities. Oh, sorry. Okay, a reason, therefore this is congruent to this by reason SAS. Okay, और कौन सी ट्राइंगल होंगी आपकी? AOB. Triangle AOB will be congruent to AOB. This will overlap over this. So A to O, so this will be C to O, COD. So triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD. Now we actually have AB equals to CD. So AB equals to CD, we got it. Similarly, we can prove these two triangles congruent, and we will get, you can use similarly. ओके, एक प्रूफ आपने पूरा दे दिया, और यहाँ पर सिमिलरली किन कंडीशन में यूज़ कर सकते हैं? जब प्रोसीजर इज गोना बी एग्जैक्टली सेम. तो यहाँ भी एग्जैक्टली SAS ही होने वाला है, तो वहाँ पर आप सिमिलरली यूज़ कर सकते हैं. यू कैन राइट सिमिलरली BC इक्वल्स AD. नो, सो फिर इसको 1, इसको 2, फ्रॉम 1 and 2 both pair of opposite sides parallel, therefore ABCD is a parallelogram. So let's end this video now.